Hi friends, welcome to the third session of polynomials. Let's see today exercise 2.2. So before we go to the exercise, let's see what is 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. Let p of x is a polynomial if p of a is equals to 0, then a is said to be a 0 of the polynomial. So when we have some expression or equation, when we have something, when we just take that, instead of this x, if I substitute that a value, that is instead of this p of x, instead of this x, if I substitute a, and if that equation becomes 0, then it is known as 0 of the polynomial. 0 of the polynomial. So let's go for the sum. Find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at first one is x is equals to 0. Let us take the first equation as p of x. P of x is equals to 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. So p of 0, instead of that x, we are substituting 0. So wherever we have x, just substitute that value 0. 5 into 0 minus 4 into 0 squared plus 3. So 5 into 0 is 0 minus 4 into 0 is 0, then plus 3. So remaining is that is equals to 3. Therefore the value of 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at x is equals to 0 is 3. Same manner when x is equals to minus 1, instead of x, since p of x is equals to 5x minus 4x squared plus 3, instead of this x value, we'll just substitute minus 1 here. Therefore, p of minus 1 is equals to 5 into minus 1 minus of 4 into minus 1 the whole squared plus 3. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. So, minus 1 the whole squared is 1. 1 into minus 4 is minus 4 plus 3. So, minus 5 minus 4. Minus 5 minus 4 is minus 9. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. So, therefore, the value of 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at x minus 1 is minus 6. And the last one, when x is equals to 2, the same procedure. P of x is given as 5x minus 4x squared plus 3. Instead of this x, substitute 2, that is p of 2 is equals to 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 the whole squared plus 3. Simplify, 5 2s are 10, then 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, then 10 minus 16 plus 3. When we simplify that, that is equals to minus 3. Thus, the value of 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 at x is equals to 2 is minus 3. Second question, find p of 0, comma p of 1 and p of 2 for each of the polynomials. First subdivision, p of y equal to y squared minus y plus 1. P of y is equals to y squared minus y plus 1. So first we want to find p of 0 first. So wherever we have y, just substitute 0. So p of 0 is equals to 0 squared minus 0 plus 1. That is equals to 0 squared is 0 minus 0 plus 1. These two get simplified. So 0 minus 0 0 only plus 1. The final answer is 1. Same manner p of 1. So just instead of this y, just substitute 1. So 1 squared minus 1 plus 1. 1 squared is 1. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Both get cancelled. So remaining is plus 1 alone. So that is p of 1 will be equal to 1. Same manner p of 2. So p of 2 is equals to 2 squared minus 2 plus 1. So 2 2s are 4 minus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. So hence we have found what is p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 for y squared minus y plus 1. In the same manner, we can do for second as well as third. Second, p of t is equals to 2 plus t plus 2t squared minus t power 3. For third one also, p of x is equals to x cube. Like the same sum, we can just substitute p of 0, p of 1 and p of 2 and we can solve as usual. Let's see the fourth one. P of x is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Same procedure only, but here it was given in power 2 form. Here they gave in two things to find the product. There are two ways. Either you find the product of these two things first and then substitute, or even we can just directly substitute and solve the sum. Here given p of x is equals to x minus 1 into x plus 1. Since p of 0 is equals to 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. So 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 1, so into 1, minus 1 into 1, it is minus 1. Same manner p of 1. So p of 1 is equals to, just substitute instead of x 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 0 into any number is 0. Therefore 0 into 2, that is equals to 0. Therefore p of 1 is equals to 0. Same manner we want to find p of 2. So wherever we have x, just in the same manner substitute. Instead of this x, substitute 2. Therefore 2 minus 1. Instead of this x, substitute 2 into 2 plus 1. So 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1, 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. 1 into 3, 3. So thus p of 2 is equals to 3. We have found the answer. Now third one. Verify whether the following are zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. So how to just check? They gave that p of x is equals to 3x plus 1, comma, x is equals to minus 1 by 3. If we just substitute this value, if that becomes 0, then it will be a 0 of the polynomial. In case if you get any other number other than 0, it is not 0 of the polynomial. So this is how we are going to just substitute and check and find whether it is a 0 of the polynomial or not. Let's go for the first sum. P of x is equals to 3x plus 1, comma, x is equals to minus 1 by 3. So given that p of x is equals to 3x plus 1, so therefore p of minus 1 by 3, instead of this x, just substitute minus 1 by 3, that is equals to 3 into minus 1 by 3 plus 1. So here 3 get cancelled, so remaining is minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus is equals to 0. So when we substituted minus 1 by 3, we got that as 0. Hence x is equals to minus 1 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial p of x. Same manner, let's check for the second sum. Given that p of x is equals to 5x minus pi, x is equals to 4 by 5. So they gave that x value is equals to 4 by 5. In the same manner, p of x is equals to 5x minus pi. Instead of this x, substitute the value 4 by 5. P of 4 by 5 is equals to 5 into 4 by 5 minus 5. So 5, 5 both get cancelled. Remaining is equals to 4 minus 5. See, this value is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. So x is equals to 4 by 5 is not a 0 of the polynomial p of x. So the previous one, it was a 0 of the polynomial, and second one, it is not a 0 of the polynomial. Let's check for the third one. P of x is equals to x squared minus 1. Here they gave two values for x. We want to check for 1 as well as minus 1. So first, let's go with x is equals to 1 first. Given p of x is equals to x squared minus 1. Therefore, we are taking 1 alone, p of 1. P of 1 is equals to 1 squared minus 1. 1 squared is nothing but 1. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So, it is 0 of the polynomial. Check for the second one, p of minus 1. That is equals to minus 1 the whole squared minus 1. Minus 1 the whole squared is 1. Minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, hence, both x is equals to 1, comma minus 1 are zeros of the polynomial p of x. So both are 0 of the polynomials. So like this, the remaining sums also we can do in the same method. So we have around 8 subdivisions, 8 sums in this one. So we have solved 3. So remaining you can solve in the same manner. Just substitute and check whether you are equal to 0 or not. If that p of x is equals to 0, it is 0 of the polynomial. If we get some other number, then it is not the 0 of the polynomial. Next, fourth one. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following cases. We want to find the 0 of the polynomial. Previous sums we were asked to just check whether it is a 0 of the polynomial or not. Here you are asked to find what is the 0 of the polynomial. Just check for the first sum. P of x is equals to x plus 5. P of x is equals to x plus 5. So if it is 0 of the polynomials, therefore we know that p of x should be equal to 0. So p of x is equals to 0. Just substitute that x plus 5 is equals to 0. Transpose this 5 that side. That implies x is equals to minus 5. Hence x is equals to minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x. So what we have done, we know that p of x should be equal to 0. just we have taken that and we have equated this to 0 and transposed 5 to other side. We have found what is the value of x alone. So hence x is equals to minus 5 is the 0 of the polynomial p of x. Second and third one is the similar one. P of x is equals to x minus 5, and third one p of x is equals to 2x plus 5. You can do it by yourself. Let's see the fourth one. P of x is equals to 3x minus 2. Same thing. The given p of x is equals to 3x minus 2. So we know that p of x is equals to 0. So therefore 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Just transpose this 2 that side first. 3x will be equal to 2. Once again I am transposing 3 because I need only x value alone. I am transferring 3 to the right hand side. So x is equals to 2 by 3. Hence x is equals to 2 by 3 is 0 of the polynomial p of x. So we found the 0 of the polynomial. Same manner we can solve fifth sum. Fifth is p of x is equals to 3x, and sixth one p of x is equals to ax comma a not equals to 0. Let's go for the seventh one. P of x is equals to cx plus d comma c not equal to 0, and c and d are real numbers. So it is given that p of x is equals to cx plus d. Therefore p of x is equals to 0. The same procedure. So therefore cx plus d is equals to 0. Transpose d to RHS. This becomes cx is equals to minus d. Transpose c to right hand side. X will be equal to minus d by c, comma where c is not equal to 0. Hence x is equals to minus d by c is 0 of the polynomial p of x. So we have just seen how to find the 0 of the polynomial. So with this we complete this exercise. Thank you.